Hi squad, welcome back to my channel. It's Lori and I'm here with Marika and Bailey.
Hi.
They are just as excited as I am to open the Jeffree Star Mystery Valentine's Day box.
My God, yes!
Okay, so here's a little tea. Marika, she watched spoiler videos because that's who she is. She watches spoilers of everything. We watch The Bachelor.
Oh yeah.
She knows before I do. I'm like, stop talking. Bailey, I think she may have watched a video, but she wasn't paying attention because she didn't know she was going to be in this video. So she's sort of on the same page as me. I don't know what's in here, guys.
I'm pretty excited.
Super, super stoked. My first Jeffree Star anything.
Same.
All of us.
Yeah.
We're Jeffree Star virgins.
That's right.
We're popping our cherry right now.
Yeah, we are. He would be so proud.
He would, though.
So,
I think so.
This one is the premium box.
So this is the premium box.
Yeah.
I am so excited. Let's. Okay.
Okay. First item, one thing at a time.
Okay.
Get the paper out of the way.
The first thing I saw is a freaking toque. Are you kidding me?
Beanie for those in the States.
Oh yeah, beanie for those Americans that are watching. We are in Canada.
Yes.
This will come in handy.
Mm-hmm. Maybe even tomorrow.
True. Possibly tonight.
Yeah. Snow? Oh god.
Yeah.
Okay.
Maybe let's not talk about that.
Oh, that's so cute.
But that's really, really cute. I'm so excited. Okay.
Next item.
Pop socket.
Yeah.
Pop socket.
So-
Check it out.
Just from researching, this one is one of the 3 out of the 4 exclusive items in the box.
Oh.
So is the beanie. Yeah.
Oh, this is
Those are beanies.
so going on my phone.
I love it so much.
Maybe that'll be my first pop socket. Well, I had a first one. It kept popping off.
Yeah, this one is an exclusive color.
Yeah.
Only available in this box.
Jealous.
Oh. So
I need it too.
okay, let's see.
I'm so
The
excited.
gloss.
The gloss.
The gloss.
This is the best thing ever.
Okay. Okay. Succulent.
Ooh.
Ladies. Let's
Yeah.
I like the sound of this.
dive a-
I just love his components.
Look
at the color.
Oh my gosh.
You
Oh
have
my
to
gosh,
swatch
you
that.
guys.
Can you see
You
this?
You
guys.
just watch this.
Oh, even it opens nice. Like
Oh.
I don't know, is that a thing?
I'm like fangirling so hard right now. Oh my god.
Ooh.
Apparently his glosses aren't tacky and they're really nice. Let's just put
Look
it on.
at the shimmer.
Let's
on
just
Just put it on.
Oh,
my god, the color. Okay.
Love it.
Oh,
now keep in mind,
As
I
Jeffree
did
said,
have lipstick on underneath.
Yeah.
But
it's a great lip tone.
It's
I really like the length of the actual,
A doe foot applicator.
like, yeah, it's really nice. It went on really nice. It feels really nice.
Does it?
Does anybody want?
Oh my god, there's
Somebody
like
wants
It
blue.
looks amazing.
There's like a blue sparkle in here.
Mm-hmm.
Oh my god, it's like
It's
your
got all
unicorn
the
pierce.
sparkle.
Nice. You do it.
Yeah.
Just do it. You have to do it. It opens nice.
It does.
Opens nice.
I love it.
Like,
Oh my god.
that's a thing. It's a thing now. It's
Oh
opening.
my god, the color. I can't get over it, dude.
And it smells amazing.
Oh, yeah,
I
all
didn't
this stuff
smell
smells good.
it.
It smells amazing.
Yeah.
Amazing. Oh, I love it.
Seriously.
I know,
Did you
don't
put
really
it
like.
Maybe.
I think
I may have taken it away.
so nice.
Oh my god.
What do you like? It opens nice,
Oh
correct?
yeah.
Right?
Oh yeah, she says.
And
But,
it's
like-
so not
oh, yeah.
tacky. It's very
So look
smooth.
at that shimmer. That's what's on your lips right now. I don't know if you guys can see the shimmer in that, but yeah,
You see that?
it's freaking fabulous.
Oh, that's so cool.
Succulent.
Succulent. Also, very fun name.
Yes.
Okay. Okay.
Here we go.
This is the piece de resistance.
This is a large item. It's in bubble wrap.
I'm gonna die.
Oh,
I already
there's
know
bubble
what this
wrap
is,
in.
and I'm gonna die.
she gets to see in real life.
She's
I
like
have
all of
no
you
idea
who-
what this
yeah.
is.
Right?
Yeah, no idea.
Like, Marika is like all of you out there who have already seen these videos
And they're
before.
just like, Lori, open it already.
Yeah.
Oh. Can I just say I love the wrapping? I
Right?
love it.
Okay,
Like-
people collect this tissue paper.
Oh, I would.
Yeah.
I'd be that person.
I was just gonna be like,
I
this
would
is
open
going
it.
as somebody's present one day. Like, I'm
Oh, yeah,
going to
100%.
like.
Oh my god, I'm dying. I'm dying.
Okay,
dying,
okay,
dying,
okay.
dying.
Oh, why is it so big? Oh my god. No, it's beautiful. Oh my god.
It is the Jeffree Star Cosmetics Alien Artistry Palette.
Beautiful.
I am shook. I don't know if you can tell by this face right now.
So this palette is actually discontinued. It is discontinued. It is rare. It only came in this box. The other 2 boxes did not get this palette.
Ooh.
This alone is the price of the box.
Oh my gosh, you guys. Thank you, Jeffree.
Thank you. Deceased.
Oh my gosh.
It is the coolest shape.
Oh my gosh. You guys.
Oh my
Yeah.
god.
You have to open the palette. You have to,
It's so pretty.
Oh my
I'm
god,
like,
I love it.
I'm like nervous to open it.
It's- the colors are just.
Oh my god, I love it. Wow. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Look at that.
Can you guys,
Fabulous. Can you get the colors that are going
Oh.
on here?
So good.
like I can't even like.
Look at that.
Oh.
I love his individual stamps. On
Yes.
the colors.
Each one of them has their own stamp.
Oh yeah.
See,
Okay.
I'm new to all of this, and I'm in
That's
love
true.
already.
That's true.
I'm in
oh,
love.
it has a freaking mirror.
Yeah.
Wow.
Shut the front door. It does not have a mirror.
This. Oh, and I can
Oh,
smell it
it's
from here.
fabulous.
It has
Okay,
the
girl.
signature Jeffree Star. You have to swatch some of the
Guys.
colors.
Okay, Moonrock is
Yeah.
definitely calling my name.
Yes,
Yeah.
that's immediately
That's-
where my eye went.
Swatch it on the inside of your arm. Yeah.
Let's
Just like
do it
you are.
here.
Yeah, I'll hold this for you.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, I love that so much.
It's so nice. Okay, let's
The
go in.
alien. The
with-
green.
Oh, the alien.
Ooh.
Ooh, guys.
Holy crap. I love that so much.
You guys, it's like
Wow.
metallic. It's like that stuff is shiny. Okay. I want to see flying saucer. I am big into this green here.
That's beautiful.
Okay, I'm not gonna lie. I would definitely put the flying saucer with the
This has turned
alien.
into a palette review. I love it so much.
Well, I mean, look, it's just amazing.
We all know the one color she's not going to touch is Area 51.
Area 51 will be for my friends.
That's
For me, because that's my favorite already.
Purple's amazing.
Right.
That
So,
and the moon rock.
fun fact, Jeffree always includes a signature white shade. So this
Oh.
Pluto shade that's in this one is one that's never been made again. And it's just gorgeous.
It's
It
almost
looks
like it's gonna
shimmery.
pearl. Like
yeah. Oh, it's amazing.
oh my gosh, you guys.
How's the formula?
It's nice.
I love
that went on
Like
so
butter?
slick.
Like
Butter. It's a butter, baby.
Oh, I love it.
And that's awesome because every time I do my makeup, I always put in some sort of white-ish color
Me too,
under my
that's what I have
eyebrow.
on my brow bone.
This is
right?
what they taught me to do.
Yeah.
That's true.
I'm learning.
Exactly.
Highlights the house.
Okay, well, you guys, this is so cool.
Can you please do probe? I just need to
Oh
see
yeah,
it.
let's
Yeah,
do it.
let's just do that one more. Sorry, guys.
That's
One
okay.
more.
Guys.
I love you guys.
It's amazing.
Every time you swatch, it's like,
Well, look at that. Look
I
at that
know.
metallic.
oh yeah.
That's okay. Okay.
Oh, I love it.
Are you for real?
Love it.
I love it so much.
Well, then I'm just gonna do my makeup like a few times a day. Like,
Yeah.
well,
Now I need to try this color and this look.
take this off. Let's
Morning
try something
makeup,
new.
lunch makeup, dinner makeup, bedtime makeup.
Yes.
Yeah. So
Okay. Well. Oh my gosh, you guys. Okay.
I love
I
it.
can't get over the gloss on your lips. Look at it. Look at it in your mirror.
Oh.
Yeah.
Look at
Oh,
it.
it's
Blue.
fantastic.
It's like blue and pink and love it.
It has all the
So
right
pretty.
glitter in it.
I like how we have like a little bit of sun coming in a bit,
Yeah.
and like you can just see it.
Yeah. Right off your mouth.
Well, everyone, I guess that's it. I'm so excited. I will definitely be doing lots of looks with this stuff with both of you guys, I'm sure too.
Yes.
If you want to see more content, I have a lot of other things to unbox and just talk about. Feel free to subscribe. And if you liked this video and you like us, give it a thumbs up. And if you guys are in love with this palette, why don't you let me know in the comments? Let's talk about it.
Yes.
Let's
what
talk
is your
about
favorite
opening
color?
the gloss. Do you like opening the gloss?
Is that a thing other people are
Just
loving
open it
too?
Is that just us?
No.
We can't be the only ones.
Okay, like
This is my first Jeffree Star component, and I've always heard how like high quality it is, and yes.
Yeah.
It's everything
Yes.
I've dreamed of.
It's
Yeah.
amazing.
yes. So excited.
But yeah, let us know in the comments what you
Yeah.
like the best, and also let us know if you want us to get the next Jeffree Star mystery box. Maybe
Yeah,
we'll
should
try
we
for
do it?
that.
Yeah, should we get another
Should
one?
I get these two to do it with me?
And we'll also see if
That
you
would be
guys
fun.
which box we should get, like maybe a bigger one next time.
Maybe one of each. Maybe we'll each get one.
Oh my gosh.
Let us know what you think. And yeah, thanks for watching.
See you next time.